Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up alarm clock in XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. First you need to open this panel and find the time and click on the time numbers. And here you can go to the first step here and then click on the plus. Here you can set the desired time of alarm, for example this. And next you can change the ringtone of these alarms. Click on the back arrow and here you can set repeat once daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. You can choose any days, for example this, and click OK. Then click on the check mark on the top right corner, and as can we see, this is our alarm clock. You can, using the slider, turn off this option if you need, or turn on again. And that's all for today. Goodbye.